Got one. Got one, guys. Got a good one. What's up, guys? I want to thank you for joining me for another adventure, another video. Today, we are going to be under Interstate 20 in Texas in an urban creek kayaking fishing adventure. Let's go. All right, guys, so after a rough little launch, because it's super steep right here, I just got in the kayak and slid into the water. Washed my feet off. Here we go. So, first recorded kayak adventure starts now, guys. I have shoes. I just brought my tennis shoes because my brother-in-law is here somewhere, and he told me that it was closed. Let's get started and see what the day has in store. Some nice little brush right here on the way back. I'm probably gonna hit this up. I'm going to meet my brother-in-law first. There's a lot of structure right here, so. All right, guys, so first cast, we're gonna throw out a shaky head with a red, kind of dark red and black zoom bait. This is the Mag 2 red shad. Oh, I thought it's a worm, but it's a red shad. So let's see what we can get out this. Let us see. What's up, Joey? What happened? He lost one right now, he said. He had it all the way up to the kayak before I got here.
I wanted to surprise you and show you.
Hey, bro, this thing is pulling. So I tried to anchor down, but it's not working. I'm floating now. You fishing the same color as me almost.
The red?
Yeah.
They're probably gonna hit you. Oh, he was right there. I got him all the way.
Just dragging it along the bottom here. That rocky edge right there. I'm getting bit by some feel like bluegill bites. Oop. Trying to stay in the shade, man. Joey going over there to the sun. Come on, shaky head. Let it go down. Give it some smooth. Along that bottom. I got the Whopper Plopper on my, the white Whopper Plopper on my casting rod, my bait caster. I'll throw that one a little bit later, see. Throw it over here by this tree. Money cast. It's a big old tree right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's coming into the picture now, I think. Big tree over here. Come on, these are money casts right here, baby. So relaxing out here, guys. So a little bit about this river right here. We're about maybe not even a quarter of a mile. We're basically at the mouth of this creek where it meets up with Lake Arlington here in Fort Worth, Texas. It's on the, well, Lake Arlington, I think, is on the border of Fort Worth and Arlington. But anyways, this is going into empties out into a lake. And so there should be, you know, some fish that come up from the lake or whatever back here. That's my assumption, my guess, that there would be some bass or whatever, crappie. There is some good crappie fishing over here too. Oh, I hit something. I think I hit a rock. Okay, yeah, it's a rock. Okay, there's some big rocks right here, yeah. And there's a big dog up there. Big dogs coming down from somebody's yard. And I got out of there real quick. Oh, I think I had something and then I got stuck. Either I got snagged right there or I had something big on there, guys. I don't know. There's something right here. This is a juicy spot. There's something in this spot right here, guys. There's a lot of concrete structure or something under here. I can feel the weight from that shaky head just tapping along. Got some. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off. Dang it. They're down there tapping it. He freaking got off. Look at, he slammed that thing. Look at that. We're going to throw it back in there. We got to re-rig, guys. That little sucker tore up my, that bass right there, he tore up my worm. He blasted it so hard, the freaking tail came off. But he attacked that thing. So I thought I was feeling structure under here, but I think I'm getting some pretty good bites right here where I'm at. So I'm gonna continue to throw right here. So I tried the whopper plopper for a little bit. Haven't got any bites on it, so I'm gonna switch to Old Faithful here. This is is it like a shad color, minnow, actually more like a minnow color crank. It's about 2 to 3 feet diving depth. I think it'll work out good here because there's no vegetation or anything here, and it is about 2 to 3 feet deep with some like I said, there's some like concrete slabs that are down there. If this thing can bounce off of those things, even if it does dive down there deep, it'll just bounce right off of those. It's got that bill on it. This little bill right here. It's gonna help it. It's gonna help it bounce off the right off of those stone or those concrete slabs down there. So let's rig that bad boy up. It's looking juicy right here too. You get anything? Man, I had one right here.
You got away?
Fell off.
Ah! I had him right here.
Another one right there. I caught one. I caught it over there, and I stayed over there for a minute trying to catch another one. Yeah, I had some bites over there too. All right, guys, got me one. See if I can land him. Seems like he's hooked. Let's See if I didn't lose this, but nope, he's on. He's on. Got him on the good old minnow. Let's go. We got him, baby. Got him in the boat. Woo! Finally. Look at that, guys. First one of the day. Mr. Fishy, thank you for coming through at the new spot. Let's go. You got another one, guys, a little baby one. Little baby. Man, he hit that crankbait. Almost all the way up to the boat. Oh, there was a blow up over here and I threw my bait out there and I think I got a bite. There's a blow up right there. There's a fish right there. Right along this bank right here. He blew up right on the edge right there. Right there. Right on the money spot. That's where he blew up. Right next to that. Got another baby, guys. He's hooked good. He ain't going nowhere. Fished him right out of that over there where the sun is, up against that side over there. He just came up and hit that. They're loving this minnow. Filled a couple taps. So I decided to stay right here in this little spot. Another little baby. Just a little baby, guys. Got one. Got one, guys. Got a good one. This is a good one right here. This is a good one right here. This is a good one. This is a good one. Oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. He's barely hooked, guys. Gotta land him. Got him. Landed him, baby. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Now we got something. Here we go. After all them dinks, finally we got a good one in here, guys. All right, guys, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is a nice one right here. I want to weigh them, but I don't want to keep them in the kayak too long. I want to stick them in the net and then just try to get a weight on them on the floating minnow, on the original floating minnow. There you go. All right, guys, so I'm floating back down the river, going back. Right before I was gonna turn around, I broke my casting rod. It got stuck up in some trees, and then I tried to get it loose, and the tip just snapped. It was worth it, though. I'm glad I came. Caught a few fish. We're heading back down the river. I might throw it at a few more spots, so let's see what happens. I still got my spinning rod rigged up. Let's go. right, guys, so there you have it. Hope you liked the video. It was a pretty successful day, besides the fact that I broke my fishing pole, but it was a pretty successful day. Caught about biggest one I caught today was about a 2-pounder. Caught a couple dinks, so it was fun for the first time on the kayak. Let me know what you think about the kayak videos. This is my very first one. Looking forward to making more. This spot right here is fun to fish. You go down the river, there's some pretty good spots, some really nice laydowns. I like the fact that the bottom has a lot of rocks, so there's not a lot of vegetation to get caught up on. Right now it's fall time, so there was a lot of leaves. I was getting caught up with a bunch of leaves on my crankbaits and things, but overall I had a blast. Hope you enjoyed the content. God bless you guys. You already know what you got to do to support the channel. Click that like button, share, ring the bell, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Peace out, guys.